Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. This is Friba here. In this video tutorial, I'm gonna show you how you can get this cute pattern. It's double-sided, very airy and stretchy, good for summer and springtime knitting projects. I have worked in two sizes. This is with fine yarn with 4.5 millimeter needles, which you get this texture here. The other one I use number 5 yarn, which is kind of thick yarn. And then I use 7 millimeter needles. And this is how it look in this size. For today, I'm gonna use the same kind of yarn. This is the yarn I'm gonna work with 3.5 millimeter needles. The pattern is super easy and simple to get. You need to cast on a multiple of 3 plus 1. Here I have prepared 16 stitches and the repeat is only one row. We're gonna repeat one row over and over. I'm gonna show in both style in English holding, having the yarn on my right hand, and also continental method. I'm gonna show in the English style first and then continental in the next row. I will work one row with English and then one row with continental method. Let's take a look at our stitches. We're gonna have one edge stitch at the beginning of the row and one at the end of the row. For the very first row here after cast on, I'm gonna knit this stitch at the beginning of the row. For the following rows, I will slip it without knitting. For the edge stitch at the end of the row, I'm gonna knit. Then you're gonna have another two stitches here at the beginning of the row. We're gonna knit these two stitches, like knit one, knit two at the start of the row, at the beginning of the row. And then after these three stitches, the edge stitch and two knit stitches, we're gonna have the repeat for 3 stitches that we're gonna work similar steps. Let's start with the edge stitch here, knitting the edge stitch. As I said, because this is the very first row after a cast on, I'm gonna knit this stitch here, then knit two, one and two. Now we're gonna start the pattern right here. For the pattern, we're gonna bring the yarn to the front, then knit two together, and basically what's happening here, we are making a yarn over here and then we are decreasing one here, so the number of stitches stays same, and the next stitch here will be just slipped to the right needle. You can slip purlwise or knitwise, it doesn't make a big difference. For this one I slipped knitwise, for this one I slipped purlwise, it doesn't make very big difference. So when you finish those 3 stitches, again, we're gonna repeat, bring the yarn to the front, another 3 stitches here, knit 2 together, and slip 1. Repeat, bring the yarn to the front, knit 2, and slip 1. Just basic as these 3 steps. Yarn forward, knit 2 together, and slip 1. At the end of the row, you're gonna knit the last stitch, which is the edge stitch. So one more time, I'm gonna show with continental holding this time. So edge stitch, I will slip this time, Then I have two stitches at the beginning of the row, knit one, knit two. So always we have two knit stitches at the beginning of the row. And after that, you're gonna see your group of three stitches, including a yarn over and two stitches. So when you get to this yarn over, you're gonna make a yarn over or bring the yarn to the front in English method, and then knit two stitches together. Then slip one. Again, you're gonna see the group of three, yarn over, knit two together, slip one. We are just repeating the same things over and over. I'm trying to make it a little bigger here. And the edge stitch here, which I'm gonna knit. Okay, you're gonna repeat the same row over and over. You will get this pattern here. I'm gonna show one more time here. Again with English style. Pick up the edge stitch, then you're gonna have two knit stitches at the beginning of the row. After these two, you're gonna see the group of three. We're gonna bring the yarn to the front, knit two together, and slip one. One more time here, yarn forward, knit two together, slip one. If you have the right number of stitches, always the repeat will be the same thing for your rows. One more time here, yarn over, knit two together, slip one. Yarn over, knit two together, slip one. And here is the pattern you get. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment. I will be glad to answer them, and hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Enjoy your knitting time. Thank you. Have a good day.